Your phone battery isn't dying fast. You're just letting these features drain it. That's how to fix it in seconds. So what you want to do is to simply go to your settings. On your Android, you can swipe down the top of your screen to go to the menu tray, or you can simply access your setting on your home screen. So for me, I'm just going to do it this way. So you can see this pocket icon up here, my setting icon. I'm going to click on it, and then it takes me into my setting tab. So over here, I have various settings functionality. So I'm going to go over to where I have battery. So I'm going to click on battery. I'm going to see my battery status, and you can see over here my battery status. And I'm going to scroll down to see several other details. And you can see the apps that are consuming most of my battery life. You can see Grok 7.2, TikTok 3.9, Facebook 2.9. And if you click on view details, you're going to see other apps that are in this category. You can see them listed here in order of their consumption, quite a lot of them, right? But one thing to note is that it is not all these apps that I use every day, right? Still, they are consuming my battery. For example, I've not used YouTube for a very long time. And you can see message, I've not used message. I don't know why it's consuming my battery, and several other ones that I've not used. You can see quite a lot of them right here. So what I want to do is I'll go back to the battery status one more time, and I'm going to go to where I have power saving. You can see my own is currently on. Possibly your own is off. So you're going to go ahead and turn it on. Just toggle this button right here on to save your battery life or your power life. And then also I'm going to go to battery protection. My own is currently on. I don't know whether yours is on or off. So just ensure that it is on. Okay. It's going to turn it on. And that's basically what you're going to do here. Okay. So let's go over to background usage limits. So click on this. So you see put on use apps to sleep. This is exactly where we were going. And we are right there now. Right. So this is a hidden setting in your phone that is actually consuming your battery. It consumes your battery more than anything else. So just ensure that this particular setting is on, right? What this means is that once you put it on, it's going to ensure that applications in your phone that are not in use are always asleep, right? Because it's possible for them to just be on and you are not using them. And if they are on, they are of course going to be consuming your battery life. So you want to ensure that they are off when they are not in use. So you're going to go ahead and put on use apps to sleep. Ensure that this particular button is toggled on. Okay, and once you're done with that, go back to the background and then you can refresh and then you're good to go. You can rest assured that once you activate this, once you deactivate those apps that are not in use, always have your battery life extended, right? And it can last you 2-3 days, based on the current battery life that you have, because your battery is not actually draining. You are the one that has not put the right setting on or off. So this is exactly what I wanted to show you. I hope that you got something from this. If you did, kindly go ahead and like and share with someone who might actually need this. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye.